So in this video, we're going to be talking about this she who shall not be named. No, I'm just kidding. There is this theme, at least where I'm from in the United States, we're not allowed or supposed to say anything bad about your mom. I'm probably dating myself here, but back in the 90s, when I was a kid, there were even jokes, like your mom jokes, right? So if, let's say, two kids are fighting on the playground and one of them says, "Hey, you're ugly," and the other one turns around and says, "Your mom," all of a sudden it's like, they didn't just talk about their mom. But why is that? And all jokes aside, we as a society make it unacceptable to say anything bad or negative about your mom. Isn't that interesting? Because she brought you into this life, you have to only talk good about her, right? Make her look good, make her sound good. And although, I agree on some level, for those of you that have mother wounds, maybe even narcissistic mothers, you didn't have an experience where you had much positive to say about your mom. So it can be very invalidating for you when you went through this struggle. And in my opinion, this is probably one of the most difficult things to endure in your childhood, is having a narcissistic or a toxic mother, because it invalidates every part of you. It makes you feel like nothing you do is good enough, like you're not worthy of love. It makes you question yourself, your own sanity, your own part to play in this. Now, all parents are people, okay? Just because someone becomes a mother, I myself am a mother of two, and that does not make you a perfect person. But why do we hold mothers on this pedestal? Motherhood is not easy, and I will be the first one to say that no one is perfect, especially mothers that have so much on their plates, that in today's day and age have to do it all, right? Have to work, have to take care of the kids, have to do the cleaning, have to get the groceries. Most of these things fall in the mother's lap. And it can be overwhelming. It can lead to burnout. It is not an easy job by any means, especially when your mother has gone through their own traumas, their own inner battles, their own struggles. And this video is not in any way to discredit that, but I also want to validate you, because you didn't have the mom that you deserved. You didn't have the experience that you deserved. And these programs, in terms of relationship dynamics, are still showing up in your life today. Why is that? It's because they were programmed into you on a subconscious level. So consciously, you know that your mom did the best that she could, given the tools that she was given, right? Maybe she learned it from her mom, and so this has just been passed down. And you know this. And you can make excuse after excuse after excuse and consciously excuse her behavior towards you when you were a kid. But knowing it consciously does not validate it, does not allow you to heal, to move on, to deprogram that. It just doesn't work like that. Those emotional wounds go so deep that any amount of conscious awareness that you have to the situation is just not going to fix it. It's not going to make these patterns stop showing up magically. You have to get under the surface. You have to get to the unconscious so that you can heal it, so that you can break these patterns, move forward, be empowered. Because if you are watching this video, you have been disempowered for probably your entire life. I am here to tell you that there is hope on the other side, that you don't have to stay in these patterns, in this loop, that you can heal and move forward and attain a healthy, loving relationship like you were meant to do. I'm living one. No one is perfect, and we have our ups and downs, but there is love, there is connection, there is joy, there is happiness, there is a family, And that's what you are meant to feel, to live, to then pass on, if you choose to pass it on, to a future generation. But how can you pass on joy and connection and love if you don't feel it within yourself? So I offer a free call if this is resonating with you, if you are ready to heal those emotional wounds and break free of these toxic relationship patterns. Go ahead and click on the free link below and schedule your call. If you like this video, you can go ahead and hit that like button. It helps the channel, it helps get this information out there, and share it with anyone that you feel would benefit from this. Subscribe if you have not already done that, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.